is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Want to be here. So by the title, you guys came for the crochets, and we're gonna go ahead and get into that in just a second. But yeah, I just want to say shout out to everybody that was on my Instagram live watching me crochet my hair. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you definitely should be, because I'm gonna start doing little live hair tutorials on there every now and again. So you guys should definitely tune in to my Instagram. Yeah, because I was crocheting my hair on there. But anyways, yeah, so my Instagram and my Twitter will be here on the screen. And if your notifications are not on, make sure you cut them on and select all. I'll put it here on the screen so you'll know what to do. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into these crochets. Now, I've had these crochets in for about 3 days now. So I'm going to go ahead and give my review on the hair and everything. In the clips, you guys will see that I use the Model wand curl braid spiral wand curl, and I got mine in the color number 2. I use about 2.5 packs of hairs. I still have some hair left over out of the 3rd pack, but if you do not plan on separating your hair as you crochet it, then you'll probably end up using all 3 packs, but I didn't, because I actually went ahead and separated the curls. And yeah, that's basically what I did. So I crocheted my whole head. Now, I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail, so my hair is a little like stiff. You guys know this is like synthetic hair, and it is starting to mat on me, of course, because I didn't really have much faith on the hair. I'm pretty sure it's because, number one, I detangled it. So, I mean, I detangled it, but I separated it. So I was sure that I was definitely going to endure. Y'all, my brain, I'm so scared of brains today, so guys, please forgive me. Pretty sure that this hair wasn't gonna last long because I actually separated. Now, if you probably keep it together and crochet it in your hair and I separate it, it might last a little bit longer, but I don't really think it will, because I had a wig that was similar to this texture, and literally that wig only lasted a weekend. So I'll link that video below, and this is a similar texture of like hair, but it was like a crochet wig type of thing. The crochets in because I didn't want to bother with my hair. I just wanted to be able to throw my hair up in a ponytail or whatever and go. So this is the condition of the hair after 3 days. So this is what it's looking like. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, I've already sectioned off my hair, and my hair is stretched. I will link some tutorials in the description box on how to stretch out your natural hair. So I'm going to apply some gem to the front section of that hair, and then I'm literally just going to start braiding my hair using braiding hair. Now, you do not have to do this. This is optional. I'm doing it because my hair is on the finer side, and putting a crochet hook through just my natural hair is just not sturdy enough, and my hair isn't sturdy enough to hold the crochets in my hair without the braiding hair. The braiding hair makes it a little bit more thicker, and that's what I need. But if your hair is on the thicker side, then you will not have to do this. So yeah, this is basically how I'm braiding my hair, and then I'm just braiding it not all the way down, but down enough. Now, I don't really necessarily know how to teach anyone how to grip, but basically what you do is you kind of just start braiding and you put the hair in as you go type of thing. So that is what I'm doing. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to braid the front section of my hair, so not too long. And basically I'm just braiding down, and then once I'm done with this last braid, this is what the front portion of my hair is looking like. And then now I just have to do the back portion. So as you guys can see, what I did was I went ahead and parted the back portion, and I basically just added 2 braids from the front into 1 braid towards the back. And I'm just detangling my hair, and then applying some hair butter on my hair. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, and then just braiding it downward. And like I said, just braiding those 2 braids from the top into the braid in the back, because you don't need to do small braids in the back, because when you crochet it, it's going to be full, so you will not see the braids or anything. Braids in the back, what you want to do is make 1 big braid going in 1 direction. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once you get done with the braid, I'm basically just going to interloop it within its own self. That way the tail of the braid is not hanging out. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna apply some black Jamaican castor oil to my scalp just to make sure my scalp stays moisturized with all the hair that I will be applying to my head. Alright, so this is the hair that I will be using to crochet my hair. I will also link it in the description box below, but I'm pretty sure you guys can find this at your local beauty supply store. This is just what it looks like in the packaging, and this is what it looks like before you like separate it like I did here. And I'm basically just going to take my crochet hook and put it through the braid, and that's why I wanted to add the extensions, because it makes my hair a lot more sturdy. Because I find here, basically I'm just going to loop it, pull it through itself, and then you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to make sure mine was going to be secured. And then I'm just going to tie it one more time to make sure that it will not unravel or come loose. And then I'm just going to keep repeating the same step over and over and over again, and apply any crochet hair right on my hairline because I want to protect my hairline. But if you want to do that, that's up to you, but I kind of started mine back a little further. If you don't want yours as full as mine, what you can do is skip to every other braid, or you can space out your crochets between each other. You don't have to put them so close together, but it is up to you how thick you would like it. Did the same steps to the larger braids in the back, but I kind of spaced out the crochets because you won't need as much towards the back, that much fullness, because his hair is pretty full and it will cover up. So yeah, use a little bit of this styling custard on the hair, and then I also apply the Cream of Nature foaming mousse just to set the hair. This will help with frizz and things like that. So that's what I did as soon as I was done crocheting my hair. And then I also kind of shaped up the hair a bit, cut it to how I wanted it to look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to like refresh it, how I refresh it, and how I've been sleeping with the hair. Style it however you want to, it's up to you. I haven't been wearing it out, like I said. I literally been wearing it in an up, half down, or literally all up. I'm gonna take my scissors, and wherever I feel like it's like stringy or coming apart or whatever, I'm just gonna like cut it. But yeah, if you don't want it to be as big as mine, you don't have to separate it. Just crochet the hair into your hair without separating it. But yeah, so this is the hair. It still looks pretty good though, for the fact that it's like getting really frizzy, which I don't necessarily mind the frizz. But yeah, I would say this hair maybe last 2 weeks, maybe. I'm going to take my Cream of Nature styling foaming mousse, and this is really good with helping with like the tangling and like the frizzing and keeping the hair set. I didn't really have much that I needed to clean up, like as far as loose ends or straggly ends, because I had kind of already combed, like, not combed them. What am I talking about? I had kind of already taken care of them. But as you guys can see, this is what I'm talking about. Like when it gets like this, you want to just cut that off and be done with that. Oh, it would be cute wearing it like this, or like doing a deep side part. This is cute too. Super cute hair, but it's not gonna last you a long time. Like if you want to wear this for a month, I don't know. I wouldn't personally leave this in for a month. This is some good vacation hair. Like, you know, like a week or so, and then be done with it. You can also put it up. Super cute. I've been doing this style a lot with it. So you don't have to do your ponytail this high. You could put your ponytail back a little bit, but this is just how it'll look. And then I kind of been pulling it down some so that it's not pulling too tight. I've just been literally wearing it in a ponytail, so this is how I put it in a ponytail. And just fluff it out. But yeah, you just want to pull it down so it's not like pulling your hair. Or you can do your ponytail higher. I was putting mine up a little high too. But then you have this cute fluffy ponytail. Curly ponytail. Just kind of do it however you want to. It's up to you. But this is mainly how I've been wearing it and how I wanted to wear it basically. So yeah, so I could just have my hair in a ponytail. It's easy for vacation. Okay, so how I sleep at night is, of course, I take the ponytail out. So it's back to normal, down. I take my silk scarf. I bring it, hopefully you guys can see it. I bring all the hair forward. I put my scarf towards the back. So we're doing a pineapple towards the back. Then I bring it to the front and I pull it around my, well, put it around my ears. I'm saying pull it. Put it around my ears. Then when I get it situated, I hold my head up like so. And then I just cross my band around, or the scarf around, and I tie it in the back like this. And I just pineapple it. And I just sleep like this. I mean, you can cover it up to eliminate frizz, like more extra frizz, but I don't. This is just simply what I do. It's been working. Yeah. So that's what I do to it, y'all. Nothing spectacular, but you can put a bonnet on. How I sleep at night, and I just wake up in the morning, and then I just take it off like this, and it's ready for style. My first time really legit doing like curly crochets. I did those like Nubian twist crochets. If you guys remember, I'll link it below. But yeah, so this is my curly crochets. I wanted to make sure I got this video out to you guys so you could see like how I did it and everything. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.